Yo, what's up guys, it's Kim here, and it's 7 o'clock. I'm about to go to the gym, and after that, I'm going to my friend's place. We're gonna make some music for my YouTube channel. Maybe some intros, outros, something like that. I think it's gonna be really fun. Had a nice workout. Now I'm just gonna go to the nearest ATM and gonna get some money. I need the coins for the bus, and yeah, and then I'm gonna go meet my friend. Needed to buy something to get change. I got my coffee and I got my coins. Perfect. I'm waiting to meet my friend now. He's nearby somewhere, and I'll find him. It's this man here, right here. This is Adrian, and he's gonna help me make some music for my channel. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah. Oh, thank you. It's a nice day now. Alright, we have arrived in Boxburn. We were trying to create the music, and he has this little setup, and yeah, we're about to go. Yeah.
Oh, gusto mo more? Ginawa ko like
What do you mean more?
like,
It was this moment he knew he fucked up. Like
oh
this.
shit, man.
Oh,
Magano ka? Like, yeah.
I don't know if you see this, but our freaking cactus just. Oh! We finished making a little bit. And that's it for today. See you next time.